Let's take 5 minutes and just work on releasing the deep muscles in the neck and shoulders and the deep muscles in the hips. Let's get started. Let's begin in a crisscross applesauce anywhere on the mat. Take 3 big cleansing breaths, and on the third one, open your mouth and let it be audible. On your next inhale breath, I want you to bring your right ear to your right shoulder. And then your chin to your chest. Back to your shoulder. And then chin up. Back to your shoulder. Let's do that one more time. Lower your chin. Ear to shoulder, chin up. I'll bring your head back to center, and let's do that on the other side. Ear to shoulder, chin to chest, back to shoulder, chin up, ear to shoulder. One more time. Chin to chest, ear to shoulder, chin up, ear to shoulder, and head through center. Now bring your chin all the way to your chest. Interlace your fingers behind your head and just drape your hands. Like, let the weight of your arms come down, but don't pull. Now release your hands. Now lift your chin all the way up. Bring your head back through center. I want you to cross your bottom leg on top. Sit up really tall. Inhale your arms up. And exhale, bend to the left. Inhale up. And exhale, bend to the right. Inhale up. And exhale, fold. Inhale back through center. Do that one more time. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. And inhale, come back up to a seat. Stretch your legs out in front of you. Move the meat. Flex the feet. Inhale your arms up. On an exhale breath, fold forward, but try to keep a flat back as long as you can. You're really reaching with your chest. And then round and release. And let your breath just move your body here. So every inhale you come up a little tiny bit. And every exhale you sink a little deeper. One more big one. And inhale, come back up to a seat. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees are open wide, holding onto your feet, your ankles, or your lower leg. Just start to bounce your knees up and down. If this hurts your knees, just take a crisscross applesauce. On an inhale, find length. Exhale, fold. Elbows to the inside of your knees, crown of the head hangs heavy. Inhale, come back up to a seat, crisscross applesauce. Hands are on your knees, just like how we started, okay? Sitting up really tall, close your eyes. Let's take 3 big breaths, and on the third one, open your mouth and let it be audible. Good job. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, opening up those deep muscles in our neck and in our hips, and I'll see you soon.